Copywriting is never be an easy task, and it is so hard to write great compelling ad copy that actually converted, and we are losing lots of money and lots of revenue if we didn't write properly. And copywriting play very important chunk in our digital marketing. So if you are looking to hire some copywriter in Fiverr and Upwork, you need to pay at least $100 to $200 to getting good quality blog post, good quality of work. But if you didn't have that much amount of money and you are looking to write yourself, then you can use AI based smart copywriting tool that will save your time and lots of money. And best part about with this tool is you can use for free 5 copy you can generate for free. If you have some budget, then you can also upgrade to the growth plan, but for starting you can use this tool completely for free. This tool is created by Unbounce team, and I will tell you in this video how we can use this tool and writing in a smart way and saving our lots and lots of time. So if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so whenever I'll upload a new video you will get notified. So let's start this video. SmartCopy is actually created by the Unbounce team, and you can use this tool for free of cost. And best part about this tool, you can use this extension also. You can add this extension in your browser. Click on add and click on add extension. And if you are new here, you can click on get SmartCopy for free. Select your plan and register here. Because I am already registered, that is why I need to sign in here. I log in here. Actually I forget my password, so I need to reset my password. Click on submit, and now I log in my account. Once I logged in my account, you can see here you can filter all everyday blog post, landing page, whatever you wanted to do. And now I'm go back and add the Chrome extension, pin the extension and log in my account. Here you can see there are too many options: templates, writer, save, tools, feedback, help. This writer feature having some cost. You need to select the plan if you wanted to use this feature. For that video I am not upgrading my plan, so I'll show you how I can use for free. So let's go back. Let me show you how we can write. Just let's suppose I need to write some blog post for my agency, Google Ads top 5 tools. So I wanted to write this topic a blog page, so I can go the Google and search the top blog post, and I can simply select the title, and here you can see the magic. We can expand here you can see Google Ads provide simple and powerful tool to help you manage your advertisement on Google. So here you can generate the title and you can simply select the post and you can simply remix, and here you can write very easily. Now let me show you how we can use the content expander. Just click here and just copy the title. I think there is some limit, so we can have only 500 characters. Now you can see our blog post is actually ready. So guys, this video is not for an promotional purposes. I am just testing this tool right now. So let me use some other template for email. Let's suppose you wanted to pitch someone and sale outreach, and here I'll add my tone. Okay, now click on write for me and you can see the sale outreach email. Here you can see this tool is generating the email for me, so I can send this email to some of my potential client. I think it's good enough, but it is too okay. I think this tool is under development and might be some update we will see in future. This tool is quite good, but I think this tool needs some update, and maybe we will get some update in future. So if you are looking to write some basic stuff, then this tool might be good for you. So you can check out my link in the description, and if anything get updated, I will be notifying in my channel. So thank you for watching this video. I will be see you in the next one. Goodbye.